kombucha today. Probiotics, you know, for your stomach health. It's tart. Hey guys, welcome back! Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, we're going to talk about Diplomatiq nails. Have you guys heard of Diplomatiq nails? I tried them out for the first time recently. This is the mani that I did. Let's just get into this. So if you've never tried Diplomatiq before and you're thinking about giving them a try, the best thing is that she has like a starter bundle or a starter kit or whatever, and it's only $58 and it comes with literally everything you need in order to do your nails. You have liquids, cuticle, prep things, you have the file, the buffer, the towel, to even like protect your surface. You have all the things that you need, $58. That's a good price. And I'm going to tell you, in that bundle, there are some things that I love. It comes with a cuticle pusher and an orange stick, the take it off cuticle remover, the items that you need to actually do your nails, which is all 3 steps of the liquids, the make it hard, make it stick, and make it shiny. That's the wrong order. Don't use them in that order, but it does come with all 3 liquids that you need. And then it comes with a file and a buffer block, 1 dipping powder, which is an exclusive color, either a glitter or a solid, just for you to try out. It is a 1/2 ounce. And then it also comes with, to protect your surface, this cute towel. Time to get nailed. The innuendos in here, I'm telling you. This towel is so cute. I love this towel. But I'm a huge fan of purple, so of course I love this towel. Well, purple is like my favorite color. I say that, but then like mauve is like my favorite color, and also I really like burgundy, and greens are pretty great, but also I wear a lot of gray, and also the absence of color is good, and all of the colors are good. So yeah, and if you don't want to use it to protect your surface, it would make a good hand towel or face towel, or you know, just a cool kitschy towel for you to have for whatever occasion you'd like. So again, everything that you need in order to do your nails comes in this bundle, and there are some great items that you can't just get individually. Like the cuticle pusher you can only get with the remover or in the bundle, and the kabuki brush only comes in the bundle, and also the file and the buffer only come in the bundle too. You can get the towel, it's $15 by itself. The cuticle oil you can get by itself, and she does have custom scents, which is awesome. They're starting at $8. I don't know, I'll link Diplomatiq below so you guys can go and check it out and see for yourself the prices on everything. But the cuticle oil is really great, you guys. You can do custom scents, and she also does have some scents. This is a custom scent that I did. It's lavender and frankincense, which is just like a really like calming, it's like a calming, because I'm really like kind of an anxious person. So when I'm feeling anxiety, I just sit there and smell my nails. I'm just kidding. Don't do that, especially in public. But I mean, if you're at home, do that. But in public, people might think you're weird. $58 is on par with a lot of, well, it might be a little bit more than a lot of other places for their starter kits, but you get so much more in this starter kit. You get like so many things, like everything that you need in order to start, and then some. Like you don't need a towel, but you get this like really cool towel. You don't need a kabuki brush. Actually, you do need a kabuki brush. Nobody else gives you a kabuki brush in your starter kit, and look, it's like rose gold, you guys. And I gotta tell you guys, this take it off cuticle remover, this is the best cuticle remover that I have used of all the cuticle removers, and this one doesn't have a scent to it like at all. If anything, it smells like Play-Doh, but it just works better, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, that it works better. It's the best one you can get. Banana Fire and the buffer you can only get in the bundle, but I gotta tell you, I really like them, and I probably, given a choice, would use my 180 100 grit file and my polar block buffer over these ones, but I only use these during this mani, and my mani is quite smooth. I really liked them. Orange stick. Okay, orange stick is an orange stick. You can use them around your cuticle to clean up your cuticle line. I use a toothpick around my cuticle. That's just, I mean, that's just me. That's just what I do. Then we have her liquids. I'm gonna be dead honest, you guys, not my favorite liquids. The thing that I didn't particularly like is they're in such small bottles. I'm not a big fan of mini bottles. Here's the thing about me. I'm not very careful with my liquids at all. I generally use triple vitamin, and because of that, I've gotten accustomed to not having to be careful with my liquids. So maybe it's me. I did not like the brush. I found it really hard to get really close to the cuticle line. Something about it being so short, it was hard to control for me, and also the brush, it didn't really fan out very well for me to be able to get it up to the cuticle line. It was kind of a stiff, tight brush, which is not my favorite when it comes to liquids. I do have to say though, I love the activator. It smells like mint, you guys, and it didn't make my nose runny like a lot of liquids. Even triple vitamins, especially their top coat, like burns my eyes and like makes my nose run while I'm using it. But her liquids didn't bother me at all. So if you have the dip flu, definitely give her liquids a try. Now, to the part we've all been waiting for. I got 5 colors. These colors are amazing. Knew You Were Trouble, Unicorn Fluff, Witch's Brew, Glitzy, and Dupsy. So this is Knew You Were Trouble. It's purple and black and really pretty. Pretty for Halloween, though that's over. That, you guys. That's so pretty. So pretty. That's Dupsy. Witch's Brew, which is this dark purple, and I'm wearing it also. Unicorn Fluff, which I'm also wearing. And it's this cute, that's such a nice pink, you guys. It's just like I know there's a lot of like big pink fans out there. That is a good pink. It's so pretty. And then Glitzy. And you guys, this color, I have it on my nails right now. But it is so pretty. It is so pretty. Like, there is only one size, and it's this size, which is big, you guys. That's a lot of dip powder. I love these like wider jars for glitters, especially because you can like lay your finger in really easily, which personally is my favorite way to do glitters. So these are half-ounce jars for $8. That's a good deal. That's just on par with Revel. It's on par. It's a little cheaper than Sparkle. It's on par with like Miss Raven. It's on par with a lot of the dip community companies. Okay, and finally, dude, the best product I have tried in a long time. And anybody who knows me knows that I'm a big cuticle candy fan. I love cuticle candy. But this stuff, you guys, oh my god. And also, oh, by the way, also all of the dip powders and everything comes sealed. I love that. Not every company seals their products. Revel seals their products. Also, Diplomatiq seals their products. I always push the seal into the inside of the jar because you never know. Anyway, this butter balm, you guys, it is, not only is it delicious smelling, it smells like an orange Tootsie Pop. I love it. Not only does it smell absolutely amazing, but it like melts into your skin and is like, it like is so good. And I put it on before I go to bed at night because it's like cuticle oil in that it's kind of like, or like Aquaphor or something, in that like it's kind of oily on your skin. But it like sinks, if you just give it like a little bit of time, it like sinks in. And then your skin feels so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it just smells so good. This stuff is a superior product. I can't get over how much I really, really love this stuff. Like so much. It's like perfect. So yeah, that's Diplomatiq. I mean, as far as the liquids go, it's super unfair for anybody else. Like I'm gonna be doing more liquid tests. And it's not really, the odds are stacked against anyone that I do liquids for. Like I did aisle 21 and They were fine. There was nothing wrong with them. I wish I had started with them because they're better than the liquids that I started with, and Diplomatiq too. But I'm just I'm picky with my liquids. I mean, when you found, you know, your best, then. But there are people that don't like triple vitamin, and in that case, I say give Diplomatiq a try. I mean, $58 for the whole bundle that I was talking about. Like, you can't afford not to try them. So that's all I got for you this week, you guys. I hope that you found this video helpful and you found some good information out of it, and you are gonna go run off and give Diplomatiq a try, if for nothing else, for this freaking butter balm, you guys. Holy shit. Try it. I'm not kidding you. Try it. And the Take It Off Cuticle Remover. These two items, girl, try them. Seriously. And then you can thank me in the comments below. Click like, subscribe, leave me a comment. You guys, tell me what's up. How's your day going? Are you having a good day? Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye. Unrelated, Lippy Lingerie by Tarte.